So to connect your JBL Flip 7 to a smart TV, all you need to do is make sure the speaker is on and it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now you can tell it's in Bluetooth pairing mode if this light is blinking. Like for instance, right now it's not blinking, but if you press it once, it's going to start blinking. And that means it's in pairing mode. So now you want to go to your TV's Bluetooth settings and connect. Now this process will be slightly different depending on what TV you have, but generally you just want to go to Bluetooth settings and connect your device. Now for this LG TV, I'll go to all settings and then I'll go to sound. Under sound, I'll go to sound out, click on that, and then I'll click on use wireless speaker. And then I'll go to Bluetooth device and click on these three dots. And it's going to search for available Bluetooth devices. So you can see JBL Flip 7 has been detected. All I have to do now is click on it to pair and connect. And once it's connected, it's going to make a sound. You can see JBL Flip 7 connected and connected here. And I can now play music or consume any kind of media I want to via this speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.